Hi guys, in today's video I will show you what this type of blinking status light on the Bradford white water heater actually means, and I will also show you how you can reset the unit properly. So before you start replacing any of the parts, it's very important for you to understand what the light is trying to tell you. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to walk over to the water heater, and then you just have to simply watch the status light carefully. Do not just note that it is blinking. You just have to also count exactly how many times it flashes before the pattern repeats. So on the Bradford white units, the flash count is the diagnostic code, and that's what tells you where to begin troubleshooting. Now, after doing this, you just have to simply pay attention to whether you are getting any hot water at all. So if the burner isn't lighting or the status light is flashing a fault pattern, the control system may have placed the heater into a protective lockout mode after detecting the problem. So in that situation, resetting the unit without identifying the fault usually won't solve anything. Now, in order to perform the basic reset, what you can do is you can just simply locate the gas control valve on the front of the water heater. And after doing so, what you need to do next is to simply just use the control knob in order to turn the off. After turning it off, you just have to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. And once you have done that, you just have to simply turn the control back to on, and then you need to allow the system to begin its startup sequence again. So this is the reset procedure that is used on many of the Bradford white gas water heaters, and I highly recommend you to try this one. So I hope this helped you out. Thank you.